Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P2143 code, don't ignore it, because this code is related to your EGR Vent Control System. And if this system fails, your engine performance and emissions control both get affected. P2143 stands for EGR Vent Control Circuit Low. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the EGR Vent Control Circuit is receiving low voltage. Now let's understand this clearly. The EGR system helps reduce harmful emissions by recirculating exhaust gases back into the intake. The vent control part helps regulate pressure and proper flow inside the system. When voltage is low, the system cannot open or close properly, and the engine starts running inefficiently. Common symptoms. If your vehicle has P2143, you may notice: check engine light on, rough idle, poor acceleration, engine hesitation, reduced fuel efficiency, increased emissions, and sometimes engine feels underpowered. In some cases, you may also notice slight knocking or uneven running. Now location very important. The EGR vent control solenoid is usually located near the intake manifold. In some engines, it is attached directly to the EGR valve assembly. The system is connected through vacuum lines or electronic wiring depending on vehicle type. The wiring harness goes through the engine bay and connects to the ECU. And this area is exposed to heat, vibration, and oil contamination, now most common causes. In real-world diagnosis, P2143 is usually caused by damaged wiring in EGR vent circuit, loose or corroded connectors, faulty EGR vent control solenoid, blown fuse or low power supply, vacuum leak in some engine designs, or rare ECU output failure. Quick diagnosis steps. Start by scanning for other EGR-related codes. Then inspect wiring and connectors near EGR system. Check for corrosion, oil contamination, or broken wires. Next, verify fuse and power supply. If vacuum-operated system, check for vacuum leaks or cracked hoses. Use a multimeter to confirm voltage supplied to solenoid. Also check if carbon buildup is restricting EGR movement. Repair process. Repair damaged wiring first. Clean or replace corroded connectors. Replace faulty EGR vent solenoid if needed. Fix vacuum leaks if present. Clean carbon deposits if required. Clear the code from ECU and perform a full road test. Estimated repair cost. Wiring repair is low to medium cost. Vacuum hose repair is low cost, solenoid replacement is medium cost, and ECU issues are rare and expensive. Final result. Fixing P2143 will restore proper EGR vent operation. Your engine will run smoother, fuel efficiency will improve, and emissions will be controlled properly. If this video helped, subscribe IG Garage, and comment your car model for more diagnostic help.